Whether you grow them yourself or get them at a farmer's market, now's a perfect time to grab some of those jalapenos and make something delicious. I'm gonna make pickled jalapenos. What are you gonna make? So I'm gonna use them up in a quick pickle. This is super quick. I'm gonna make my brine in a small pot, half a cup of vinegar and half a cup of water. I'm also adding 1.5 teaspoon sugar and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm gonna bring that to heat, stir it, and dissolve the sugar and salt. While that's happening, I'm going to prepare my jalapenos. It's the membranes that have all the heat. And because the seeds live on the membranes, they pick up some of that heat. So if you want it less spicy, take out the insides. Now it's simply a matter of filling the jars. So I have some garlic that I'm going to divide. I managed to fit them all in. Last step is cover with brine, squeeze out any air bubbles, and top with brine. We're gonna let that cool, seal, put in the fridge. And that, my friends, is quick pickled jalapenos.